Hey beautiful people, how are you all? This is me Satish and you're watching JKSSB online tutorial. Well, today is my first video that I'm recording using this digital board, and this is just because of your love, support and trust that you shown to our whole JKSSB. Thank you so much for motivating me to make lectures in a more unique and different way that helps you to crack JKSSB. Well, this is not a lecture actually. This is a gratitude video for everyone who supported us from day one. And from today onward, I promise you that I will make lectures more interactive, more interesting, and more exam oriented so that you people can achieve that goal that you all want, like to crack JKSSB. Okay, so in my next video I will show all the schedule of the lectures that we make for the coming days. This is just introductory video where I just want to show like we are going to use this digital board for my coming lectures. Thank you so much guys, thank you so much for your all support, and see you in the next video. All right, thank you so much, take care, bye.